Hey, hello guys, I am miEye. Today we gonna talk about the Boya M1 microphone I just bought, and we gonna unbox it, what's on the table, what's inside the box we show. And I want to say you can buy two variants, the Boya M1 with, for example, a tripod. There are like 7 variants to buy with a tripod, with windshields, but you can also buy the Boya M1 Pro with a decibel boost for more picking up your audio. I bought the original Boya M1, so we're gonna test it out. We're gonna see what's inside the box, and we're gonna compare it with the Blueyeti. Yeah guys, let's start. So guys, what's inside the box? A Boya M1 with a microphone, the lavalier microphone, if I pronounce it right. In this, here's a battery inside. There's a battery inside. You get it as well. You can put it in, and then your microphone works. You mount it and you close it. You can mount it on one of your clothing if you want to do it. You can either swap to camera or off to smartphone. It's a 6 meter long cable with a 3.5 mm jack. And if you want to have a bigger input, a 6.5 mm jack, you mount this one on and you can plug it in another device. You can put it on a smartphone, a PC, a DSLR camera. It's up to you where you want to use it for. I use it for my PC or my camera. So it came just with battery, Boya microphone, Boya device, a plug, a 6.5 mm plug, 2 windshields for if you have wind problems. You can put on the shields. They seem very cheap, but they are effective and working quite well. And a leather sack to transport your microphone, a box and manual from Boya M1, and the stats if you prefer to watch them. And I choose with a tripod and a smartphone holder. Maybe I'm not gonna use it, but there are multiple types. You can also use the Boya M1 Pro if you like to have more microphone decibels for more volume on your microphone. You can choose that one. I choose the standard version with some smartphone holder. So yeah guys, this is basically it. Let's test it. The cable is 6 meter long, so you can record everywhere in your house if, for example, if you want to do it. And let's test and compare it with a Blueyeti. Hey, okay, it's time for testing comparison between the Boya M1 and the Blueyeti. The Blueyeti is set off right now. We are talking through the Boya M1. 1, 2, 3, test. This testing on the Boya M1. 1, 2, 3. This is testing on the Blueyeti. This is the Blueyeti, guys. Can you hear the difference between Blueyeti and the Boya? Question mark. Can you? This is the Boya M1 again. I want a comparison of short clips between the Blueyeti and the Boya M1. This is the Boya M1 sound. 1, 2, 3. This is the Blueyeti again. I am a little bit more distance from the Blueyeti, but I can come closer to it. Hello, this is from the Blueyeti, guys, the Blueyeti. Of course I can talk louder if I want, but the Blueyeti is a €150 microphone. And the Boya M1 is 15, around that. Let's go back to the Boya. So this is the last test, guys. This is the Boya M1. Can you hear the difference between the Boya M1 and the Blueyeti? Say it in the comment section below which sound you prefer over which one. I'm not sure yet myself. I need to first see it when I'm editing the video. So yeah guys, I hope you like this video. We are still talking through the Boya M1. If you like this microphone, you can also buy the Boya M1 Pro. It has more volume, but the cable is 6 meter, it's pretty long. You can use it on smartphone, PC, DSLR. There are many options where you can use it on. Of course, this microphone uses a battery, but you can buy 6 batteries of them for €3. So that shouldn't be a problem. And you can always set the device off. So guys, this was my mini unboxing of the Boya M1 and a comparison between the Boya M1 and the Blueyeti. I hope you liked it. Guys, thanks for watching. Maybe consider joining the Discord or subscribe. It is free, guys, and otherwise I see you guys in the future. Bye bye guys. Bye bye.